What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a short link for a property on booking.com. This is super easy when there's a trick about it, so you don't need a third-party website like Bitly or Linkshorten or whatever. You don't need that because you can get this directly from Booking. But I know that once you're on Booking, let's just go ahead and open up a property here. And once you open up that page, you have this huge long link, right? And you don't want to share this with someone. So how do you get a short link for the property? All you have to do, guys, really is ensure that you're on the page of the property and look towards the right hand side or lower towards the middle right. You will find basically the save item, and there's a share. It says share this property. Once you click in that, you're able to copy the link, and this copy link is actually a short link. So if I go ahead and close this two windows right here, open up a new tab, press Ctrl V there, guess what? There's a short link, and this is a short link of that property. So if I go ahead and hit enter, it's going to basically take me over to the long link of the page, but you see that it actually works. So you can get a short link for any property on booking.com directly. And that's it.